Good day. In this video, we are going to do two trigonometry questions. This is to prepare you for your NCEA Level 1 mathematical reasoning exam, which is going to happen in a couple of weeks' time. So the first question is the merit, and we shall do this. Okay, so calculate the distance MN, okay, and the angle TMS. So this angle TMS, okay, we let this be Y, okay, and we are going to calculate them. Okay, so to calculate MN, we first need to calculate the height of TS. Okay, TS is using this small triangle, so this will be the opposite of the angle, and this will be the adjacent. So we're going to use the tangent rule. So tangent 56 is equals to opposite over adjacent, TOA, okay, equals to opposite is unknown, so we put as TS over 24. To calculate your TS, the height of TS, the height of this thing, you just take 24 multiplied by tangent 56. Okay, so I just done the calculation before, and the answer is going to be 35.58 meter. Okay, so if you know the height here, we're going to put 35.58. Okay, we can calculate MS because we use the Pythagoras theorem. So MS, okay, the length MS squared is equal to the longest side during the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, MS squared is going to be 90 squared, the longest side, the hypotenuse 90 squared, minus 35.58 squared. Okay, so now use a calculator. It's going to be 6,834.06, and MS will just be the square root of that number, 6834.06, and I found the answer to be 82.66 meter. So to calculate MN is just take this number minus 24. MN is going to be 82.66, the whole length here, minus 24, and the answer come up to 58.66 meters. Okay, so that is how you do. To calculate the angle Y or TMS, so we're going to do here, okay, got a run out of space, angle TMS, we put it as angle Y, okay, it's going to be, you use the rule, okay, so tangent Y is equal to opposite, okay, over hypotenuse, not tangent is going to be sine, okay, opposite of hypotenuse is sine, okay, so sine Y is equal to opposite, which is 35.58 divided by 90, okay, the hypotenuse is 90, and then to get Y, you just put sine inverse of 35.58 divided by 90, put in your calculator, and the answer is 23.28 degrees, and that paper, that question, both questions will give you a merit. Okay, the next question is a very popular question, so we shall do this. Okay, so we are going to read the question and try to solve this. Okay, if the shadow of the tree increased by 10 centimeter, 10 meter, when the angle of elevation of the sun decreases from 70 to 60, what is the height of the tree? Okay, this is a bit hard because that's why it's called excellent. So we shall try to do this. So doing this triangle, okay, so we're going to write here, okay, doing that triangle. So using this is opposite, this adjacent. So tangent 70 is equals to O over A. TOA is equals to 3 over X. Okay. So to get the 3, we just multiply. So tangent 70 here. To get rid of the X, we multiply by X on both sides. So 3 equals to X tangent 70. And put your calculator tangent 70, it is going to be 2.747x. Okay, so that is your 3 in terms of x. Now we're going to do the bigger triangle, okay? So tangent 60 is opposite again, and this adjacent. So tangent 60, again O over A, so O is a 3. And this time the base or the adjacent is going to be 10 plus x. 10 plus x. So we're going to simplify that. So we're going to multiply 10 plus x on both sides. And then it's going to be 10 plus x bracket tangent 60, okay, bracket them, equals to the 3, because this will cancel out. So expand out, you calculate tangent 60 is going to be 1.732, so you multiply by 10, it's going to be 17.32 plus 1.732x equals to the 3. Okay, so the first equation was this, the 3 equal to that, and now 3 equal to this, so we can combine this is equal to this or this equal to this. So the first equation is 2.747x is equal to 117.32 plus, there's x here, I think there's x somewhere, yeah, x here, okay, 1.732x, sorry, they already written there, okay. So now to get rid of the x, we minus 1.732x on both sides. So 2.747 minus 1.732, if I found out is 1.015x, is equal to 17.32. We're going to bring it up a bit, okay? So now to solve for x, you just take 17.32 divided by 1.015, and the answer for this is going to be 17.064 meters, and if you can get up to here is a merit. To calculate the excellence part, you need to calculate the height of the tree. That's what they ask. What's the height of the tree? So you know the formula, the one of the equation is this. So height of the tree is going to be 2.747x, or in this case x is 17.064. Put in a calculator and the answer is 46.87 meters, and you can do the whole thing here. That will be an excellence. Okay, so hopefully you go through every one of that and you should be able to get merit or excellence in the trigonometry section. See you everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers everyone, have a great day.